Happy Wednesday. Craig Zybert here with you, filling in for Jim Lowboy today as we go through the next couple of days. Of course, all eyes on our big winter storm that will be here. Today, no problems, but as we go into your Thursday night and especially into Friday, things become very dangerously cold, and watching for some dangerous road conditions out there as well. In terms of the cold, here's a couple tips to keep you safe here as we go into that Friday afternoon and Friday evening time period. Especially, we will see wind chills approaching that negative 25-degree mark. So when those wind chills are in that range, your frostbite to exposed skin can happen anywhere between 30 and 10 minutes with that exposed skin outside. So make sure you take extra precautions, stay dry. That wet clothing will include a faster heat loss to your body. Wear mittens, gloves, hats. Of course, all those layers will help insulate you. And make sure you keep those layers on hand with you if you are traveling far as we go through the next couple of days too. If you get stranded on the side of the road or stuck in traffic, or your battery dies, you're going to need some of those extra layers because it will just be so bitterly cold outside. How cold are we talking here? Here's that Arctic cold blast. As we go through your day on Wednesday and Thursday, things are going to actually be relatively warm ahead of that storm system, but watch that cold air just fly through here as we go into the overnight hours from Thursday into Friday. First thing Friday morning, temperatures will be in the 30s, but this is overnight Friday. This is like midnight to 3 a.m. Then right as the rush hour comes through here in your Friday morning, notice by 6 a.m., remember, 3 a.m. temperatures were in the 30s, 19 at 6 a.m. So just a quick 20-degree drop in just a few hours, and that colder air is just going to continue to filter in here as we go into your Friday afternoon and evening. These are air temperatures. You add wind gusts between 40 and 50 miles per hour, which will be likely behind this system into Friday evening. That's where you're going to get those wind chills that are approaching that negative 25-degree value. That's when you're going to want to make sure that you especially take care of yourself if you are out and about. Here's a look at your Pinpoint radar for your Wednesday morning, though. High pressure in control. Should see sunshine for your afternoon today. One area of low pressure down here to the south, one area of low pressure to the north. These are going to kind of converge across the area here over the next couple of days, going to bring us that very sloppy weather here as we go into your holiday weekend. So for your Wednesday, things are quiet. No problems expected. Temperatures will be right in the mid-upper 30s, close to that 40-degree mark. Mix of clouds and sun. The clouds do begin to thicken up as we start your day on Thursday, though. Going to start a little warmer for your Thursday, right around 30 degrees for your overnight lows tonight into Thursday. We go into your Thursday morning, an isolated snow or rain shower will be possible, but as we go into your Thursday afternoon, expect rain showers to begin to fill into the area, and it will be warm enough to keep this all rain for your Thursday. It starts Friday with rain. Then as we go into your Friday morning, as I showed you with the temperatures coming in, we'll go from rain between 4 a.m. and then a quick burst of some heavy snow with that rain first, flash freezing. We're going to see a layer of ice possibly accumulating on the roads. Then you're going to add 1 to 3 inches of snow most likely on top of that. Friday morning is going to be very dangerous for your traveling conditions. As those temperatures begin to crash very quickly, we're going to see those temperatures fall through the teens and into the single digits for your Friday afternoon and evening. That's when the winds are going to start kicking up. 40, 50 mile per hour wind gusts, definitely not out of the question, and expected to be allowing those temperatures, what it feels like, to be closer to that negative 20, negative 25-degree range. Bitterly cold and dangerous. 39 degrees for your afternoon high today. Partly to even mostly sunny skies. Winter, ironically, on this warmer day, begins at 4:47 this afternoon. 29 degrees for your overnight low tonight with increasing clouds and not as cold. Then there's a look at that 7-day forecast. Rain showers expected off and on through your Thursday afternoon and evening. Winds begin to pick up Friday. There's that rain to snow early, expecting 1 to 3 inches of snow quickly on that Friday morning commute. Then those temperatures fall fast from the 30s early in the day all the way through the 20s and teens into single digits for your overnight lows, starting your Christmas Eve cold. Very windy. A few snow showers still sticking around into the start of your Saturday. Then just staying cold for your holiday weekend, but we get a little bit better as we go into the start of next week.